How do I find a contact on Venmo? Intro. Hey there, you're trying to pay back a friend for that amazing dinner last week. You know their Venmo username, but you can't seem to find them in your contacts. It's like they've vanished into the digital ether. Hook. Ever felt that frustrating moment when you're trying to send money on Venmo, but your contact is nowhere to be found? It's like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. Building context. Venmo, for those who are new to it, is a popular mobile payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money between friends and family. It's like a digital wallet that you can use to split bills, pay back loans, or even send a little extra cash as a gift. But what happens when you can't find the person you want to send money to? It can be a real headache, especially if you're in a hurry. Main content. 1. Check your contacts. The first and most obvious place to look is in your contacts. Venmo automatically syncs with your phone's contacts, so if you've added the person to your contacts, they should appear in your Venmo search bar. To do this, open Venmo and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Start typing the person's name or Venmo username. If they're in your contacts, they should appear in the search results. 2. Search by username. If you can't find the person in your contacts, you can try searching for them by their Venmo username. This is especially helpful if you only know their Venmo username and not their full name. To do this, simply enter their Venmo username into the search bar. If they have a public profile, they should appear in the search results. 3. Ask for the username. If you still can't find the person, the best option is to ask them for their Venmo username. This is the easiest way to ensure that you're sending money to the right person. You can do this by sending them a message or calling them on the phone. 4. Check your Venmo settings. If you're still having trouble finding contacts on Venmo, it's possible that there's a problem with your Venmo settings. Make sure that your contacts are synced with Venmo and that your privacy settings are set correctly. Tips and tricks. Here are a few additional tips to help you find contacts on Venmo. Use the exact spelling of the person's name or username. Even a small typo can prevent you from finding the person. Try searching for the person's last name first. This can be helpful if their first name is common. Check your Venmo search history. If you've searched for the person before, they might appear in your search history. Conclusion. Finding a contact on Venmo can be frustrating, but it doesn't have to be. By following these simple steps, you should be able to find the person you're looking for in no time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.